Today we're taking our casket that we made, our coffin, and we're adding a little hand coming out of it. So we use another one of those little motors that we've used on previous projects, and we had a little L bracket here, and to add extra security, hey, use some duct tape. So we took a couple dowel rods. What this motor does, usually it'll spin around, but if it gets some friction and it can't move, it'll move the other way. So in other words, we're gonna have this go back and forth, this little piece, and it'll make this hand go like that.
It's reaching for you.
Yeah. So it looks a little bit more natural than just an in and out type thing. Once it gets dark, this thing's gonna look pretty neat. Should probably be wearing eye protection too. I'll turn my head.
There you go. Close your eyes. Oh, the noise is actually rubbing on the wood.
Oh, I guess that's fine. As long as it doesn't start a fire.
Yeah.
So I'm gonna put a little glue on this. I get it, you know, because you wouldn't expect a tombstone to look perfect.
That's right.
So the whole point is to
Rough it up and make it
rough it up, make it look like old craftsmanship.
All right,
Let's
here's
see.
the true test.
Oh, look at that, open. Oh, wow.
Yeah, we did it!
Yeah.
Cute little broom.
Everyone needs a tiny little broom. There we go. That. You take your other props, and they fit in our coffin, aka storage shed.
I hope everyone notices how creative you are in all these videos with your Halloween attire.